Welcome to Eoiin Connect. In this video we're going to talk about milestones. This is your milestone screen. Here you can add milestones, entering key variables like start and end dates, status, and progress. Add a document by clicking on the paperclip icon. Send a notification to a team member by leaving a comment with the @ symbol followed by that team member's name. To add a milestone, click Add. Name your milestone. Enter a start and end date, a status, a description, then click Submit. To add tasks required to achieve this milestone, click on Add Task. Tasks are just like milestones, except that they exist within a single master milestone. When you add a milestone, you can assign it to a team member by entering their name in the assigned field. Milestones can be viewed in a table or a calendar view. For a calendar view, select Options and click the calendar view. To export a spreadsheet outlining all milestones and tasks, select Options and click Export. Eoiin Connect. Organize your projects, connect your team, manage your work, grow your business.